One fateful day, I picked up my sister's mathematics textbook, and then I saw this sign in some of the questions there. Wait, what? What? I knew that the sign was familiar, but I just forgot the name of the topic it was in mathematics. Then I started searching and searching for this topic until I found it, and then I found it. And now this sign is factorial. I know how it works, but the question is, how am I supposed to implement it using JavaScript? Well, that is what today's tutorial will be all about. Without any more waffling, let's get down to business.
So how does factorial works? Pretty simple. I'll just explain it in very fast pace. So factorial works like this. You have a number factorial. This exclamation mark is called factorial, as you know. So now this is how it works. It's going to be that number times the number minus 1 times number minus 2 times number minus 3 till the number finishes. That's just everything about factorial. So how are we going to turn it into JavaScript? Is what I'm going to be doing now. Let's do this. Just basically, I've written the title of the something here. So now let's link it to our CSS. Yes, the CSS was factorial. That's it. Let's link it to our script tag. Let's link it to our JavaScript. Factorial. That's it. So now I'm just writing something basic, very basic. So div.wrapper. So let's just write the name of this project, factorial solver. Let's write solver there. So that's it. So now in this factorial solver, I'm going to have in just very simple something. What I'm going to have in there is very simple. I'm going to be having the input tag of number. Let's just call this one the coefficient. Let's just call this one the number. So let's move this thing from here like this. So I'm going to have a span tag of this exclamation mark. That's just it. Let's have a button. I'll see what. The button I'll just say find. Let's find or solve. Let's just use solve. Then paragraph one I'll display it. This is the entire HTML. Let's view it in our browser. I think it's basic. No capping, nothing about it. And let's start using CSS. First, our default styling. So now let's style each of these elements. Let's style the input. Let's style the div.wrapper first. Let's just give it a padding of 10px. I'm not giving so much things in this place. Let's start the input. Let's start it. So width of what? Let's say like 2em. Font size of what? 2em. Border 1px solid hash 00000097. So you don't want it to be too black. So now border radius of how many px? So like 10px. Yes, that's it. Outline, as you notice, this I don't like outline at all. So none. That's it. I'm done with the input. Now let's span tag. So span tag, let's say font size 2em, font width 900. That's it. Let's check what I've done. Beautiful. Let's bring it to the center by selecting the body. Text align center. Let's bring it to the center. Yep, that's perfect. You can see it's looking beautiful. But you can increase this also. Let me see how it looks. As well. Just see. So okay, let's give it a little bit padding. 20px. Maybe it's not too big. No, it's too big. 10px. So just like 2 factorial, or let's say 2 factorial. So let's increase the size here. Let's increase the size. Let's increase that of this. Let's just say like 5em. We want it too big, but not too big. So you have a number here, 5 factorial, simple as that. Let's reduce this to around 4em. And yeah, almost the same height like this now. That's better. So now let's jump right in JavaScript and just do the main. So this is JavaScript. Let's just start. Let's select everything. Let number equals to, what's the number here? Document dot query selector input hash number, simple as ABC. So let's select the other one. What are we going to select? Let's select the button straight away. I've not started the button because the document dot query selector button. Let's select the paragraph tag. Let's be equals to document dot query selector p. Let's quickly start the button. Sharp. No cap now. Let's quickly start the button. Other radius, I've forgotten. Other radius. Let's say like 5px or so let's say 8px. Other radius. Perfect. So let's give it cursor pointer. Just look buttonish. Let's start the paragraph tag. Simple styling. Let's just say, let's just say font size. Let's say like 1.3 em. Let me just quickly write something. Let me write like p. Let me just say pp. Can see it's big, so that it makes sense. So now let's come back here and finish everything while I've been here. So how do we make this thing to work? It's very simple. Let's just do the button dot add event list now, as you all know. Click, comma. Let's use something different this time. Let's just do the same thing every time. Let's do something different. This is what we call row function. So now do this. So that let's start. We are going to have like 3 if cases, 3 if else cases. Let me just show you. So if, what's the first if here? What I'm saying, if the number dot value equals something. If the number dot value equals to is less than 1. It's less than 1. Because if it's less than 1, is there factorial for a number less than 1? No. So we just say p.innerhtml equals to, go to using backtick here as we all know. Error. Just write error. There is no factorial for negative number. Simple as that. So no factorial number starts from 0, 1, 2. Start from 0, 1, 2, something like that. So else if you have a factorial of 0, what will it give? Factorial of 0 will give you what? It give you 0. So now say if number dot value equals to 0, because some people write 0 factorial. You want to know that our code works. Now we just say that what p.innerhtml equals to backtick. I'm not going to try the number dot value factorial equals to 1. No, factorial of 0 is 1. Simple as ABC. So when I say what where is this? Yes, number dot value factorial equals to 1. So now this last else, if this last else are going to be written as, now we solve for any number the person has, any number. So how do we do this? First, you have to just state something. You state let result. Let's state the result here equals to 1. I'm going to be using this. Just wait, hold on. We're going to be using. Don't worry, I promise. I'm going to be using it. So the last else, bam, bam. So what I'm going to be saying, I'm going to be creating a for loop, and this is how I'm going to do it. So for, I'm going to use the for loop here. So this is how for loop works. You all know for loop before. If I let I equals to this, we're going to cancel this one. I'm going to comment it out. So let I equals to, I'm not going to say let I equals to 1, because you know for loop starts like it will be looping to go 0 to go 1. So I'm not going to say 0, I'm going to say 1. So what I'm going to be saying is that I is less than or equals to the input dot value. Like now, you start from 1. The loop usually starts from 1. You're now going to be setting a boundary here. So this boundary is, I'm going to be saying, is that less than or equals to 1 or equals to the input dot value. So it's going to be like let me just show you, let me just do an example. So when the first loop goes now, we'll tell you to do something here. When we now do something, so now the loop will now go again. Now tell you to answer. Let me just show what I'm talking about. So it will be less than or equals to what? The number dot value dot value dot value. That's it. So I plus plus as usual. So number dot value. That's it. So what I'm not going to be saying is that I know I told you I'm going to be using this result here. I'm going to be using it here. So this is what I'm going to be using. The result normal is 1. I'm going to now be saying to now do like this. Result times equals to I. You can wonder what is this. Let me just show you in normal English. Result equals to result times I. That is what I just wrote now. I just condense it. So the loop is something like it will just be according to the number of times of this number dot value. So when it has reached, this let I now, are declaring a variable here. Then we're now setting a boundary here. We're now doing the increment here. That is just everything about loop. So this I are saying that this variable here, let's just say 1. If you write 2 factorial, 2 is less than or equals to 2. 2 is equals to 2. It will go. It will say that 2 results times 2. Okay. 1 is less than or equals to 2. Is less than. It will go. 2. It should not go less than that one, because of I is not equal to 0. I is equals to 1. That's just it. I is not equal to I equals to 1. So when I've done this one now, so the entire result from this beginning here, result was equals to 1. Nobody argue about that one. But when that result now gets here, result is no more 1. What is result? Result is anything it gets here. That's its result. That's just basically result. Result is anything it gets there. So I'm going to say I was p.innerhtml equals to backtick, and I'm going to say that what? Let's just say number factorial. So number dot value factorial equals to, and I'm going to say the result $sign this one result. That's it. That's just basically it. Let's go to the browser and let's look at it together. So factorial solver, let's look. So now let's see 3 factorial. What was 3 factorial going to give us? Normal. Everybody knows it. The answer is 6. Let's see. What the issue was here? 6. Basically, that's just it. 3 factorial equals 6. So now, if 2 factorial equals 2, 3 factorial equals 6. What is 6 factorial? Let's find out. 6 factorial, simple as BBC. So 6 factorial is equal to 720. No capping about that one. So that's all.
Now you know how it works. But what I want you to do now is just comment down below which mathematical topic you want me to use JavaScript to solve. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.